mouth-watering. It smells so good.
On 3 salads, I use the same dressing sauce, including brown sugar, fish sauce, lemon juice, and fresh chili. The shrimp and mango salad. First, we slice the mango. We should eat green mango to thin strips. Then the fresh coriander. In a big bowl, mix the boiled shrimps, carrot, already grated, mango, and the dressing sauce. We mix well, then we add the fresh coriander after. It's ready for serving. We should sprinkle peanuts. Beef jerky with carrots and green papaya. First we deseed the green papaya, peel it, and grate. We can cut it into thin strips also. And now we cut into small slices the marjoram. Now mixing carrot in, green papaya in, and don't forget green papaya we should soak in warm water and a little bit of salt. And beef jerky. For recipe of beef jerky, please check my IGTV or YouTube channel. Dressing sauce and the marjoram leaf. Mix well and serve. It's ready. Chicken breast and onion. First, we marinate chicken with a little bit of salt and pepper. To boil the chicken, we beat the ginger and lemongrass in a small casserole. We place the chicken with lemongrass and ginger. Add the water to cover all the chickens, then boil in 10 to 12 minutes. For onion, we slice finely. Then we can cut the lemon leaf. This is optional. For onion, we should soak in hot water to reduce the strong flavor, and then we marinate with a little bit of sugar and rice vinegar. In a big bowl, we tear the chicken breast into the small pieces. Then we add the onion already marinated, then marjoram leaf. Now we mix well with the dressing sauce. It's ready.